Hi guys, I'm Dr. Deepak. Welcome back to my channel. This video is completely about the NEET MDS. I'm gonna share about the materials, the books to read, and the difference between self-preparation and joining a coaching institute. What are all the advantages of joining a coaching institute? If you are so confident and you want to self-preparation, so I will give some tips and ideas for the both and the other basic things to crack the exam. Last it comes to cracking the exam. Okay, first we're gonna see, I will share my screen. Now we see about the books to read. Okay, some people would have known about the books, like they seniors would have told them. Now we see the list of books you should complete, like you should be familiar with it. If you read from the standard books for your university exams, so good, will be very useful to solve the MCQs. Okay, the meaning I'm saying for you read from the standard books is that you know the basic concepts. Like some questions can be so conceptual. You must read the book once at least. But if you not read, okay, if you not read standard books, you read some the guides are the materials, it's not a problem. You can start preparation from the beginning. Okay, it's not a problem. The first book when it comes to the entrance examinations, many of would have known, is the Pulse. Okay, it's called as Dental Pulse. Okay, the current edition is 17th edition. It's published by the Dental Pulse Academy. Okay, and the second book called as Den Test. Okay, this is a MCQ book and the preparation for the PG entrance exams. The author is Gauri Shankar. There's many MCQ books are there. It's published by many coaching institutes. The most common book is Dental Pulse. Okay, it covers all the subjects. The previous year question is given with explanations. If you solve the Pulse, you get familiarized with the way of questions they ask and how to solve the questions and how to rule out the options. And same thing to the dentist. This is not a sponsor. Okay, no sponsor video. Okay. If you come to the self preparation, first thing you should know, get familiarized with the pattern. Get familiarized with the pattern. Same thing, get familiarized with the previous MCQs. Third thing, solve the MCQs. Okay, solving the MCQ is so important. If you solve more than 10,000 MCQs or 5,000 MCQs, now eliminating the options. If you have 4 options, A, B, C, D. If you don't know the exact answer for the question, but you have the idea about the options, you can rule out the options. For example, if option B is completely different, it's not even correlated with the question, you can easily eliminate the option. Similarly, option D, it's not correlated, you can remove the option. Like option C is also not that much correlated, you remove the option. Then you came to the answer as B, but it will not work in most of the questions. But in some questions, it will be a useful thing to eliminating the option. For self preparation, I'm saying you need to solve the previous MCQ book, previous questions book, like the Pulse. Okay. If you solve the Pulse completely and done at least 3 or more revisions, so important. If you read a single time, you forgot completely about the things you read, so 2 or more revisions, it's so necessary. Like if you take Pulse, okay, it has 4 volumes now. 4 volumes. At least a volume has 1,000 pages. For example, you should complete a volume within like a month or so. Or if you fasted reading, you can complete before a month. So you complete the 4 volumes in 4 months. If you completed the Pulse in 4 months, if you revise for 2 times more, you get 12 months. Okay, 12 months of time, it's a year completely revise the Pulse. If you don't have enough time, At least read a pulse for 2 times, okay, two times within a time period you have. And I will add another point. If you are a self preparation, if you are not joined any coaching institute, you studying on your own. In some coaching institutes, they provide free materials and free test. They provide free materials. This material will be so useful. Can be a video of a class or be a notes. It can be so useful. Then they provide free test. Okay. Some provide a mock test. Some provide a mock test. Some provide grand test. This both are same. Some provide a test like a daily test. Some coaching institutes. You can solve your self preparation to know what are the things are being asked. It's so important. This is so important. Free materials and videos and daily test and the mock test is so important. If you are self preparing, give at least as much as you can. First thing. Next, after the institute they provide a monthly mock. Okay. Monthly mock. Some institute free monthly mocks. 2 in a month. Okay, 2 in a month mock. So you write. First thing is to get familiar with the pattern. Then to know your rank in the mock. It's a second thing. The rank is not important in mock. It's a booster for your preparation. The rank. Main thing is the number of questions you got correct. The number of questions you got wrong. Okay. Number of questions you not attended. Okay. These three are important. They provide a detailed analysis for this. If you got 100 questions correct, for example, if it is 240 questions, I'm saying this is a first mock. Okay. If you are attending 240 questions, you got 100 correct, 100 wrong, not 40 left. If you consider 4 marks, okay, 4 marks for correct, 1 mark minus for negative marking, 0 mark for not attended. Okay, you get a score of 100 into 400 for the correct response. You got 400 mark, but for the negative you have to consider, so minus 100, you get a score of 300. This will be a score 300 in the mock in the first month. Keep on increasing the number of correct response. Okay, and to get a minus less, you have to reduce the number of wrong. Okay. If you don't know the question, leave it. It's not a problem. I'm coming to 22 position. Okay, if you got around 400 something, okay, 400 something marks, your rank will be around 5000 somewhat. Okay. If you got around 350 marks now, you get around 7k rank. For 50 marks, okay, there will be so much difference of rank. Okay, around 2000 rank will be different for the 50 marks. Okay, so the number of negative should be reduced. It's very important. Some popular institutes I'm saying, series, it's the famous institute, series, and BDS to MDS is there. Next, DB, MCI, MDS, and AS Achievers, and there's many institute. Okay, a Dental Pulse Academy is also an institute. These are the popular institute in 2024. For the people who don't know, from this institute they got the first, second, and so many ranks, so many toppers from for the NEET 2024 exam. Similarly, this following institutes, this institutes also got many top rankers. If you want to join a coaching institute, you can join any of the coaching institute. I'm not promoting any institutes. Okay, this I'm saying the options. Okay, I'm not sponsored. If you want to join, you can join any coaching institute. They will provide everything. The materials, classes, and the subjects. The individual subjects will be covered. The test will be conducted. A daily test and mock test, a grand test. Everything will be conducted. If you can't find a proper guidance, or you need someone to teach you, in the sense, I will say joining institute is very important. Joining a coaching institute is better, I would say, because they will guide you. They provide test, they provide the materials and the previous set papers, and if you are so good and you can do your self preparation, then the above things can be used for the self preparation, so it will be very useful. In this video I covered the most of the part, I think so. If you have any doubts or further questions about NEET MDS, please free to comment. I will try to make a video about it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.